Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can fix the quality of your reels, so let's get right into it. Now, your reels might be of a lesser quality because of two main reasons. One of them might be your internet connection, which might be suffering, or it might be a data saver turned on through Instagram, as well as power saving mode on your device. Now, if it's your internet connection, what you need to do, you should go ahead and try to troubleshoot it in any way you can. Go do a speed test online. There are a lot of free ones which work perfectly. The one by Ookla is the best one for me, if you ask me. And if your internet connection is low, that might be causing problems. Restart your router, try to see if you can fix it that way, and try to troubleshoot any other things that might be interrupting your connection. If that's not the case, then it might be due to your ISP. These are only if you're using Wi-Fi. If your ISP is having some problems, then you might need to wait for them to fix it, and once they do, then your reel should be good. If you're using your own mobile data, you can go over into your account, go into settings and activity, go into your app and media, and then go into data usage and media quality, and make sure data saver is off, since data saver will screw up the quality of your reels if you're viewing them. However, if you're uploading your reels, to fix the quality, you need to make sure that upload at highest quality is turned on, so that it doesn't interrupt your upload, and so that it doesn't compress the videos further when updating it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Other than that, what you can also try is restarting your device, updating Instagram, and also clearing the cache by going to your settings, locating the Instagram app, and clearing the cache. So that might fix it. And yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.